In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Microsoft Teams account from the mobile app in what is a comprehensive guide to assist you through this process. Let's dive right in and get started by signing out of the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone. You'll want to locate your profile picture, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on your profile picture, look for the option that says Sign Out. Clicking this will effectively disconnect your account from the app, but it's important to note that this action doesn't completely remove the account from your phone just yet. It's essentially a preliminary step. So let's move on to the next part of the process. Now, if you are looking to completely remove the Microsoft Teams account from your PC settings, you'll need to follow these additional steps. Start by pressing the Windows key and the letter I at the same time, which will open up the settings menu on your computer, a helpful shortcut for quickly accessing system settings. Within the settings menu, navigate to the section labeled Accounts. Here, you'll need to select Email and Accounts. It's within this section that you'll see a heading titled Accounts Used by Other Apps. Take a moment to locate your Microsoft Teams account specifically under this section. When you have found it, click or tap on your Teams account entry to reveal a button labeled Remove. Clicking on this button will remove the Microsoft Teams account from your device, and there you have it. Your account should now be fully removed. By following these simple steps, your Microsoft Teams account is now effectively removed from the mobile app, and if you chose to, from your PC as well. This comprehensive guide was meant to ensure you understand how to navigate through the settings and options both on your mobile and PC, making the process as straightforward as possible. Whether you're switching accounts, troubleshooting,